Let's go back to basics and do a no makeup for mature women. I'm 57 years old. This is everything that I use. This is where I started, and this is how I fell in love with this makeup. It is Seint 3D foundation. I'm gonna use only the colors that are in this palette, and it's gonna take me under 5 minutes. I promise you, it'll be flawless and beautiful, and it's just meant to look like yourself, but better. So I'm just gonna set my timer to keep us on task. I'm gonna hit it now. The key to this, well, I'm putting my hair back, so we're gonna have to add that into the timer. The key is I like to use my fingers, so I'm going to use clean fingers and add my makeup like this. And it's just about quick. This is how I do my makeup when I'm going out, when I'm running errands, when I have a meeting, all the things. It's so quick and easy. If you prefer to use a brush, you can do that as well. But I like doing my fingers because I can feel what I'm putting on my face and how light it is. And that's it. I'm just gonna blend this in real quick. And again, it's not about sacrificing how you look by going quickly. It's about just doing the right products in the right place. And you know what I didn't do? Hold on. I didn't put any, I just got my bangs cut, so they're in the way. So that's gonna take a few seconds. And it's cold here in Florida. I live in Florida and it's very cold today. So I have on this sweater and I got my bangs cut like I just said, and so I'm getting used to them. I usually have them a little bit longer and they stay back. So that is everything for my foundation. And then I'm gonna go in with my detail brush and just do, again, sorry about the hair. Go in and do a little contour. And this is just gonna add some nice shadow to my cheeks. And I like to brush it up into my cheekbones so that it adds a nice little shadow. And this is Astoria. I like this color because it's like the perfect kind of cool color for contouring. And while I say it's cold here, all of a sudden when I'm doing my makeup, I'm getting warm. Okay, so that's my contour. I'm gonna add my lip and cheek. Again, go in and blend that real quick. And you can always add more if you prefer more makeup. Then I'm gonna take my Illuminator, again with my fingers. I love the glow that this gives to the top of your cheekbones. It's so pretty. And the coolest thing is I'm gonna use the same color on my eyelids as an eyeshadow just to give a little brightness. And I don't have an eyeshadow in here, so I love using a little bit of my contour as well. And I did use 2 brushes. I used my blush and bronzer brush, and this is obviously my finger, but I used blush and bronzer and then detail brush. And what else am I gonna do? I'm gonna do a quick eyebrow. Just make sure they're smooth and look good. Then we've got to do mascara because that is one of the most important things, because other than that, my eyes will disappear. I have a mirror on the top here, which is so useful. And I'm so excited because coming very soon are mascara and an eyelash curler from Seint. So they're adding to the products, which is so exciting. We've been waiting for those forever, which is now going to be a one-stop shop because you'll be able to get your mascara. There's going to be a gel, a clear gel for your eyebrows, so you could use that instead of the brow wax. And I'm almost done. The last thing I'm going to do is add my lips. This is Summer Love. And that is my under 5-minute makeup. Let's see how long that took. I'm gonna stop. It is 4 minutes and 11 seconds. How's that for quick makeup? Now, you can always do a little bit more if you wanted. If you wanted to add an eyeshadow, you could add You could use your contour to line your lips. You could use the contour as well as more of like a little eyeliner if you wanted. So there's lots of options. So that is my quick under 5-minute makeup for mature skin. It's pretty easy. And if you would like your own custom palette, everything that you could possibly need in here, from concealer, color corrector, you could put a bronzer in here, contour, your foundation color, lip and cheek, an illuminator. On the bottom level, I have another lip and cheek, which is a gloss, a brow wax. You could do eyeshadows, you could do a smaller palette, a bigger palette. It's all custom to you. If you're interested in that, I will link below a color match form, which is where I help you get the right colors for your skin tone, and then you can add in all the extras like the lip and cheeks, eyeshadows, whatever. And I also tell you and help you with brushes, placement, application, and all the things. So thank you so much for being here. If you like this video, please leave a comment. Let me know what you'd like to see from me. If there's any questions that you might have, I would love to help you. And if you did like this video, please take a minute to hit the subscribe and like button. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I look forward to seeing you next time.